What's up, guys? If you have one of these wired smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, this one's actually hardwired into your home, as you see there. But it also has a backup battery. And if you have already changed your battery out, which you go right here and just let me do this with one hand. You just pop it open. There'll be a 9-volt battery inside there normally. If you've swapped that battery out with a new one and it is still beeping, that means you need to replace the entire thing. These are only made to last 8 to 10 years. So if you look underneath it here, see that? September 22nd, 2017. So this really only lasted 8 years for me because we're in 2025 now in September. But that's what's going on. If yours still beeps after replacing with a good battery, you have to replace the entire thing. So to do it easiest, make sure you get the exact model, and I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. So make sure you get the exact model as yours. Otherwise, you might have to swap out the base that goes into the ceiling, which you'd rather not fool with. So make sure you get the exact model as yours, and I'll put a link. Look for the link in the comments and the description. You can get this same one, and it comes with a Duracell battery, the new one, so that's nice. Anyway, that's pretty cool. But yeah, very unfortunate that they have a limited lifespan, and that's just how it is. Anyway, check out my other videos, and if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. You'll see it under the video screen, and please send us a donation. If we saved you money or time or hassle, make sure you throw a donation to any monetized YouTube channel that has a thanks button under their video. Check it out. And we got hundreds of other videos that may help you on our channel relating to working on the house, around the house, appliances, cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it all out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.